I'm going to be replacing this tub spout. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do do-it-yourself videos, vacation videos, product reviews, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So the tub spout I'm going to be replacing, and the reason is I'm going to show you what goes on. When I turn the water on, it isn't fully functioning. So the shower is going, and yet the spout is still spewing water. So this thing is time to replace, as the mechanics of it is not working properly. So it's also an old spout, so it's time to replace that. So I'm going to be replacing it with this brand new spout, and I'm also going to leave a link down below in the video description for you to get one yourself. So the first thing you have to do is you have to identify what type of tub spout you have. Is it a slip-on or pull-over, or is it a screw-on? So you're going to have to do some looking around. You're going to have to look underneath here. Typically there's either going to be a screw or something to indicate that it's either screwed attached to the pipe. If not, if there's no screw at the bottom, then probably it will be a twist on, just as this one is. So you just want to make sure that you're not twisting on the spout. If there's actually a set screw hanging onto the pipe, you might do some damage behind the walls. So just make sure you know and identify what type of spout you have first before you begin disassembling the tub spout. So once again, this is a twist off, twist on tub spout. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn that, and you can see that's what it looks like there. Of course, there's threads. If it was a pullover or a slip-on one, you would have a screw at the bottom, as I previously said. So the first thing I want to do now that this is removed, this is going to be discarded. This is just going in the trash. You want to clean off all the old threads around the copper pipe here before applying new Teflon tape. So to remove the old Teflon tape, I'm just going to use this utility knife, and I'm just going to make sure that I can just score a little bit of this, and you can even use it to get in between the threads to get the old Teflon tape off. And just peel it off with your fingers, and just make sure that's clean before you install new Teflon tape. Now with the old Teflon tape removed, I have this roll of new Teflon tape, and I'm just going to clockwise wrap that around the copper pipe, threading, and just put a little bit of pressure. And you want to make sure it's nice and tight within the threads. And I'm going to wrap that around maybe 5-6 times. And that should be enough. And just make sure that's snug into the threads. Now you're ready for install. Now I have the new tub spout, and I'm just going to line up the copper pipe with the threads inside, just so it catches. And you're going to need 2 hands to tighten this on to its final position. Now the next thing to do is just to turn the water on to make sure that this water will stop the water and send it up towards the shower head. So there we go. And that's working perfect. The shower is on, and there's nothing coming out of the tub spout. And we have no leakages behind, so that shows that it's installed correctly. So that's it. That's how you install a bathroom tub spout. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.